So here I'm doing a video of the lights on the 68 Buick 455, and I'm going to go high beam. You can see the lights on the wall in the shop. High beam indicators on, off. Right hand signal light working, indicator on the dash. Left hand signal light, the indicator is working on the dash. And interior lights are working, except for the dome light, it didn't come on. Side marker lights are working. Tail lights are working. Side markers are working well. I'm gonna put it on 4-way flash. High beam. Flash off, left hand signal. Right hand signal. Sorry, that was left hand signal. Here's the right hand signal. Okay, could step on the brakes, please? There, just showing the brake lights are working fine. The other lights are out for now. No weird phantom lights coming on when you step on the brake lights. All the grounds in the circuits are all good. You can have some weird things happen when you have bad grounds. And of course, I just can't take a video of this car without featuring the engine rather. And you can hear those Johnson racing lifters. Little tappity tap 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 at idle. And if you know anything about hydraulic racing lifters, you know that's normal. If you don't know anything about it, you can look up Johnson hydraulic racing lifters or Comp Cam hydraulic racing lifters, and you can learn about it. They're wonderful. They give a better idle and a little bit more vacuum at idle, because they have a little bit higher bleed down rate. It reduces the effective profile of the cam. And then when you rev up, the hydraulic lifters pump up to full height. You get full cam, and when you get up to higher RPM, you will not get the valve float that you get from hydraulic lifters that fill up too much with too much oil. You probably knew all about that anyway, but I thought I'd throw that in there. Anyway, any day is a good day when you've got a Buick and you let Jesus take the wheel. Bye for now.